So one of the most common questions we get is how much do you charge per graft? The simple answer is we don't charge per graft. And the reason we don't do that is charging by the graft is not accurate. A graft can have 1, 2, even 4 hairs in an individual follicle. So the more accurate thing is to understand how much coverage you need. So what we do, firstly, we evaluate the donor area. We look at the number of hairs per follicle, number of follicles per square centimetre. We evaluate the tissue in the area, then the number and type of grafts we can get from that tissue. It takes a certain number of hairs to cover a certain square centimetre. So we know, as an example, if we can get 200 hairs per square centimetre, we take a certain area of tissue, we know that's how much coverage we get. The type of grafts we use in a certain area are determined by the area we're transplanting. Different areas, different demands. So it's not until you've had the evaluation that we truly understand what you need. It's like calling your physician and saying, hey, I've hurt my knee, how much to fix it? Until we see you, we can't look and say, hey, here's your cost. Now for us, our transplants range between $5,000 and $16,000 depending on what you need. But it's not a price per graft scenario. Places that do that, one graft might have 1 hair in it, one graft might have 4 hairs. What are you getting? What are you paying for? So understanding those things is the key. Once we do your evaluation, we get a better idea of what's the right thing for you. A hair transplant is not a one-size-fits-all. Every procedure is done differently. If you go to wegrowhairindy.com, you look at the before and after pictures, there's a range of different examples. This is individualized based on what you need. We're going to educate you, and that will determine which is the best route to meet your goals and expectations. How much hair do you need? Give us a call, 888-724-5129. Visit wegrowhairindy.com. Free private evaluations. We look forward to seeing you very soon. Thank you so much.